Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. To my new viewers and subscribers, welcome to Asedo's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm cooking minced beef and potato stew. Please find the ingredient list plus quantities used in the description box below. To get started, I add minced beef into a heated pot and start breaking through the mince. I add black pepper to taste and continue stirring through the meat until it starts browning. I add curry powder, coriander powder, vegetable seasoning and roughly 1 cup of water. At this point, I also add extra virgin olive oil, onions, Italian herbs, tomato paste and garlic paste. I mix to combine and cook it for 15 minutes on medium heat. I now add salt to taste and add the potatoes. I'm using 10 large potatoes because my family loves potatoes. However, you can use less potatoes if preferred. I add cumin powder, mix to combine and add water to the level of the potatoes. Then I bring this to a boil on high heat. Once boiled, I turn the heat down to a medium flame and cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. I adjust the water level and let it simmer for a minute before turning the heat off. Adjust the cooking time according to the size of the potatoes. If your potatoes are smaller in size, they'll cook much quicker. The aroma in the kitchen is so good at this point, and the potatoes are well cooked. The food is now ready. I paired it with rice and it was delicious, but it also goes well with bread or chapati. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if this is the sort of content you'd like to follow, subscribe and tap the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Don't hesitate to write your questions, comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.